Hello everybody, and today I am going to give you another magical formula on integration. In my previous video I have already given e to the x whole into f of x plus f dash x into dx, integration of this one, and it was e to the x into f of x. And see here, can you tell me the derivative of e to the power ax into f of x whole divided by a? Let us find out the derivative of this one. Okay, after that I will tell you. So I am taking 1 by a outside here. Then apply the product rule. So derivative e to the ax is e to the ax into a. Okay, and keep f of x as it is plus e to the ax is there. Sorry, e to the x is there. Keep it as constant. And derivative of f of x is f dash x into dx. Whole into dx I am taking. Because here e to the ax into a into dx, and here f dash x into dx. I am writing d, not d by dx. Okay. So multiply this one. If you multiply 1 by a, it will become e to the ax into f of x plus e to the ax into f dash x by a whole into dx. And take e to the ax as common. F of x plus f dash x by a whole into dx. Clear? So simply take the integration of both the sides. Now integration of this part, it will be e to the power ax into f of x plus f dash x by a into dx is equal to integration of this one. If we put integration of this one, and already it is known to be integration of dx is d of something, integration of d of something is equal to x. dx, integration of dx, if it will be d alpha, then integration will be alpha. So d of this one, integration, then it will become this part, e to the power ax into f of x whole divided by a plus c. C is the constant of integration. Your trick is that in my previous video I have taken simply e to the power x, but in the entrance it is coming there e to the 2x, e to the 3x, e to the x to anything. The coefficient is not 1 in each and every case. So e to the ax, if there will be ax, there will be f of x plus f dash x by a. If a will be equal to 1, so here a will be equal to 1. That means f of x plus f dash x, which I have given in my previous video. In my previous video, I have put a is equal to 1. Okay. So here is the formula. Your today's formula is this one. And let us see how to do these problems. Using this formula, I am giving you an example. Integration of e to the power 2x into sin x plus cos x by 2 into dx. See here, the derivative of this function should be here, and the coefficient of x should be divided here. Derivative of sin x is cos x, and here it is 2, so 2 is divided. So what will be the answer? That means e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x by 2, and here f of x is sin x, so answer is sin x here plus c. Another example, e to the power 2x tan x sec square x by 2 into dx. Here 2 is there, so here 2 is divided here, and derivative of tan x is sec square x, so it is in this form. So the answer will be equal to e to the power 2x by 2, then here f is tan x, so multiply tan x plus c. Clear? Another example I am giving you, e to the power x by 2, here log x plus 2 by x into dx. Clear? So let us see here. Day to day log x is 1 by x is there. Derivative f of x is f dash x, so derivative log x is 1 by x. And here I have told you the coefficient of x should be divided here, and here the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So if I write 1 by 2, so 2 will be in the numerator. Clear? In the denominator, here a is equal to 1 by 2. So if I write 1 by 2, so 2 will go to the numerator. So it is in the form. So what is the answer? E to the power x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Then f is log x. So into log x plus c, and this 2 will go to the numerator. 2 into e to the power x by 2 into log x plus c. So this is your answer. Okay, now we can do the problems on this formula. Okay, in my previous video you will be thinking that, sir, all the questions are not in the form of e to the power x. In some questions it is e to the power x by 2, in some questions it is e to the power minus x, in some questions it is e to the power 2x. So how to do those problems without converting? Okay, so you can apply this formula directly. Okay, so in my next video I will tell you another interesting formula which you should apply directly without using by parts. Okay, so till then, thank you, bye bye.